Hey everyone, in this video we are going to compare AWS with traditional hosting services and help you decide which one is right for your business. Traditional hosting services offer fixed resources such as a set amount of disk space, bandwidth and CPU power. This can be limiting if you need to scale your business quickly or handle sudden spikes in traffic. On the other hand, AWS offers a flexible and scalable infrastructure, allowing you to easily adjust your resources up or down as needed. This means you only pay for what you use. In addition, AWS offers a wide range of services including storage, compute, databases, and more under all one roof. This can make it easier to manage your resources and streamline your operations. So, if you are considering AWS for your career, then be sure to check out our free class on how to get started with AWS. You can find the registration link in the description below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe for more AWS content and updates on our classes.